Welcome to Linguaverse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Bonjour et bienvenue à l'épisode 4 de notre cours de français A1.
Bonjour Diana,
Bonjour Ben, ça va?
ça va bien, merci. Et toi?
Ça va très bien, merci. Welcome back everyone. Today we'll start with a quick warm-up of what we've learned so far. First, how do we say hello in French?
Bonjour.
Perfect. Now let's have our listeners try. I'll leave a little pause for you to say it out loud. Bonjour. Excellent. And how would you introduce yourself, Avery? My name is Avery.
Je m'appelle Avery.
Très bien. Very good. Your turn to try at home. Say je m'appelle and then your name. Wonderful. Finally, let's practice asking how someone is. Avery, ask me how I am.
Ça va?
And I can reply, ça va bien, merci. Now you try. I will ask you, ça va? You can say, ça va bien, merci. Fantastic. You're sounding more and more natural.
It feels good to remember it.
It does. And today we're going to build on that foundation with something really useful. Numbers.
Numbers. Okay, I'm ready.
Great. Numbers are everywhere. When you buy something, when you get a phone number, you need numbers.
Right, that makes sense.
So today, our goal is simple but very important. We are going to learn how to count from 0 to 10 in French. We will go very slowly and focus only on listening and speaking.
0 to 10. I think I can handle that.
I know you can, and so can everyone listening. Ready to start?
Oui, let's do it.
Okay, let's begin with the first number, 0. In French, it sounds very similar. Listen carefully. 0. 0. Avery, can you repeat that?
0.
Excellent. Now for our listeners, I'll say it and you repeat in the pause. 0. 3, 2, 1. Let's move to the number 1. In French it is un. Un. Listen again. Un. Avery?
1.
Perfect. Your turn at home. Un. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Next is the number 2. D. The sound is at the front of the mouth. D. Avery?
2.
Très bien. Now you try. D. Wonderful. Now for number 3. Trois. Don't worry about perfection, just try. Trois. Avery?
3.
That was great. Your turn. Trois. Okay, 2 more in this group. Number 4. Quatre. Listen once more. Quatre. Avery, give it a try.
4.
Yes, exactly like that. Now for everyone at home. Quatre. And the last one for this set, number 5. Cinq. It's a little bit nasal. Cinq. Avery?
5.
Fantastic. Your turn. Cinq. Okay, amazing job. Let's quickly review 0 to 5. I'll say each one and you can repeat after me. Avery, you can join in too.
Okay.
0. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Wonderful. Now let's learn the next group from 6 to 10. Are you ready?
Ready.
Okay, number 6. In French, it's six. It sounds very similar to English. Six. Avery?
6.
Perfect. Your turn. Six. Next, number 7. Sept. The P is silent. Listen again. Sept. Avery?
Sept.
Excellent. Your turn. Sept. Now for number 8. This one can be a little tricky. Huit. The H is silent. It starts with a U sound. Huit. Avery?
8.
That was very good. Let's all try. Huit. Next up is number 9. Neuf. neuf. Your turn, Avery.
Neuf.
Très bien. And for our listeners, neuf. And finally, number 10, 10. Again, it's similar to English. 10. Avery?
10.
Perfect. Everyone at home, let's hear you. 10. And that's it. You've learned to count to 10. Let's review this second group. Repeat after me. 6, sept, 8, 9, 10. That was fantastic. You've mastered the basics from 0 to 10. How about a little game to practice? Okay, now let's mix them all up for a little game. I will say a number in French. I will pause, and I want you, Avery, and everyone at home to just repeat the number back. Ready?
Yep, ready.
Okay, first number, 3.
Trois.
Bien. Next, wheat.
Wheat.
Excellent. Let's try another. 1.
Un.
Good. How about 5?
Cinq.
Perfect. Next, 10.
Dix.
Yes. A few more. Sept.
Sept.
You're getting this really well, Avery. Let's do 2 more. Neuf.
Neuf.
And the last one, 4.
Quatre.
Excellent. That was really good practice. It makes your brain work just a little bit harder to recall the sound. Now, let's think about where you might hear these numbers. Imagine you are in a French cafe.
Ooh, I'd love that.
Me too. You might want to order 1 coffee, so you would hear the number 1. Listen to the phrase, un café. The important word for us is un. Let's have you repeat the whole phrase. Avery?
Un café.
Perfect. Your turn at home. Un café. Now, what if you're with a friend? You might want 2 croissants. Listen for the number 2 croissants. The number was 2. Let's try the phrase. Avery?
Deux croissants.
Très bien. Everyone at home, 2 croissants. The goal here is just to start recognizing the numbers when you hear them in a sentence. You don't need to know the other words yet. Just train your ear.
That makes it less intimidating, just listening for the number.
Exactly. And you both are doing an incredible job today.
Thanks, it's really fun. Your slow pace makes it easy to follow.
That's the goal. And for everyone listening, please remember that learning a language is not about being perfect from day one. It's about trying, making sounds, and not being afraid to make mistakes. You should be very proud of yourselves.
I actually feel like I could count to 10 if I went to France right now.
That's the spirit, and that is exactly where we want you to be, feeling confident and ready to try. Okay, before we finish, let's do one final recap. Let's count together from 0 all the way to 10. I'll lead, and Avery, you, and everyone at home can say the numbers with me.
Let's do it.
Ready? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bravo! Excellent work today. You have learned the first, most essential numbers in French. That is a fantastic achievement.
That felt great. So what's next?
Great question. In our next episode, we're going to use these numbers to learn how to ask someone their age and how to say your own age, a very useful skill.
Oh, cool. I'm looking forward to that.
Me too. So keep practicing your numbers this week, try counting things around your house, and we will see you next time.
Au revoir.
Au revoir, tout le monde. Goodbye, everyone. French Numbers 101, counting from 0 to 10.
Thanks for joining us on French Conversations for Beginners. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more episodes. See you next time.